CGL Grand Test number 104, English explanation. Question number 76. Select the segment of the sentence that contains grammatical error. If there is no error, mark no error. So, our question is the weather this summer is as worse as last year because it has not stopped raining for weeks. So, what we got, sir? The weather this summer is as worse as. So, as we know already, as plus positive degree plus as. So worse will become bad here. Okay, number one problem. And another problem is there, as bad as last years. Apostrophe yes, sir. Now it is absolutely fine. So the weather this summer is as bad as last year's because it has not stopped raining for weeks. So B is a problem because B has two problems in that. So for 76, B part is the answer. Question number 77. In the following, a sentence has been given in active or passive voice. Out of the four alternatives, choose the option that changes the given sentence into active or passive voice. So, what is the thing? We can buy gold, but we cannot buy sympathy. Fine. Now, sir, let me tell you first that this we is vaguely used. Okay, vaguely used meaning generally used. Okay, for everyone. Now, gold can be bought, but sympathy cannot be bought. Gold can bought, but sympathy cannot be bought. Gold can be bought, but sympathy cannot bought. Gold can be buy, but sympathy cannot be bought. Now, sir, B, A, C, and D all are wrong. Why, sir? Because one time can bought, can be bought only. Next one can be bought, but here cannot bought, and can be buy. After BE only V3 should be used. So in that case, sir, everything is wrong. Now, gold can be bought, but sympathy cannot be bought. There should be bias at the end, but that bias should not be used. Why, sir? Because I told we is vaguely used. Okay, not in a very normal sense. This sentence is for applicable for everyone. So A is the answer. Gold can be bought, but sympathy cannot be bought. So our answer is for 77 A. Okay. Directions 78 to 79. The sentences given with blanks are to be filled with an appropriate word or words. Four alternatives are suggested for each question. For each question, choose the correct alternative. So question number 78 is the shepherd dash his sheep in the distance. Options are mortified, qualified, described, and quantified. So first of all, sir, mortified, let us know the meaning. Unhealthy. Okay. Qualified meaning certified that this is good. Quantified meaning measured, and described meaning catch the sight of something. Describe meaning catch the sight of something. So the shepherd dash his sheep in the distance. In the distance, he saw all the sheep are there. So that's why, sir, described is the answer. Okay, as the described word is giving the sense of what, sir? Catch the sight of. Here the shepherd is catching the sight of his sheep. Fine. So for 78, C is the answer. So for 78, C is the answer. Question number 79, under the same direction, the dash person left behind him a widow with three children. So options are demanded, controlled, confused, and deceased. So demanded meaning something you need and you told that thing to the other person, that's why you are demanding. Deceased meaning is dead or in normal way asleep. Okay. Now, sir, we will take this dead only. Why? Because one person left behind. That person is no more in this particular earth. So that's why, sir, deceased person or dead person left behind him a widow with three children. So deceased is the answer for question number 79. Question number 80. In the following sentence, a part of the sentence is underlined. Below are given alternatives to the underlined part, which may improve the sentence. Choose the correct alternative. So, sentence improvement, sir. Let us read first. Pressure is increasing on software companies to resist safer products. Options are rectify, yield, diminish, and defy. Resist meaning everybody should know first. That is refuse or reject. Okay, refuse or reject. Pressure is increasing on software companies to reject safer products or to refuse to build safer products. Options are rectify. Rectify meaning reforming. Rectify meaning reform. Yield meaning afford or give. Diminish meaning decrease. And defy is another word for resist. Okay. Now, sir, here it is there resist meaning rejecting safer products, or pressure is increasing to reject safer products or to afford for safer products. So any particular software company will not reject safe things, sir. People like safe things. Okay, so for market to catch the market, that software companies will afford to make what, sir? Safer products. So for question number 80b, yield is the answer, sir. Okay, the sentence should be like this: pressure is increasing on software companies to yield safer products, to give or to afford safer products. Okay, so for 80 number, B is the answer. Question number 81: replace the underlined phrase with suitable word. Even after the program finished, the audience went on with the dancing. So went on meaning, sir, everybody should know, that is continuing or continue, or another thing is there that is called go along. Fine, sir. So let us check, sir. Started, began, continued, stopped. Now each and every meaning everybody knows. I already written, sir, continue. So for went on, our answer will be C, continued. Fine. So for question number 81, C is the answer. Directions 82 to 86. In the following passage, some words have been deleted. Fill in the blanks with the help of the alternatives given. Select the most appropriate option for each blank. So let us read first. Tenzing and Hillary have done it. Mount Everest has been conquered. This news evoked dash reactions. Somehow there was a sense of disappointment. There's the fact that the great mountain had been dashed. It would have been nice to dash the Everest as a dash part of the earth. So Tenzing Norgay and Hillary Clinton, everybody knows. Okay, so Tenzing and Hillary have done it. Mount Everest has been conquered. This news evoked dash reactions. Options are interesting, inspired, intruding, intimate. Intimate meaning everybody knows, sir, that is close. Okay, intruding meaning projecting inward, projecting inward. Inspired meaning everybody knows, interesting meaning everybody knows. So Tenzing and Hillary have done it. Mount Everest has been conquered. This news evoked interesting reactions. Okay, meaning people have interest in this type of news that two persons conquered the Mount Everest. Let us continue. Somehow there was a sense of disappointment dash the fact. So for 83, on, off, at, for. So we will take only at here, sir. Okay, why? Because at the fact of something, so at here. So somehow there was a sense of disappointment at the fact that the great mountain had been, options are occupied, conquered, challenged, and invaded. Now, sir, invaded meaning occupy. Invaded meaning occupy. Challenged meaning everybody knows. Conquered meaning overcome, okay, or seized or capture. Overcome or seized or captured. Now, sir, occupied can't be, because, sir, in Mount on the Mount Everest, no, anyone cannot occupy that area. Okay, so the thing is, already it is started with conquered. Now again, sir, conquered came, so we have to take the same word. So at the fact that the great mountain had been what, sir? Conquered. So for 84, B option, conquered. Continue. It would have been nice to dash the Everest as a dash part of the earth. It would have been nice to dash. Options are have left, had left, be leaving, left. So what we are getting said TO2. So after 2 there will be have 2 plus have plus left. So for 85, A is the answer. So let us read. It would have been nice to have left the Everest as a dash part of the earth. Options are unavailable, unusual, unruly, unassailable. So unassailable meaning, sir, untouchable. Okay, untouchable or invulnerable. Okay, unruly meaning disorderly or disorder, simply disorder. Okay, so it would have been nice to have left the Everest as an unassailable or untouched part of the earth. Okay, so I told everything. Let us read once again. Tenzing and Hillary have done it. Mount Everest has been conquered. This news evoked for 82A interesting reaction. Somehow there was a sense of disappointment at the fact for 83C, sir, at the fact, okay, that the great mountain had been conquered. For 84B, conquered, as the conquered word is already there, sir. Conquered. Then, sir, after that, it would have been nice to have left for 85A, have left the Everest as an unassailable or untouched part of the earth. So that's all for 82 to 86. Choose the correct meaning of the idiom. So our idiom is which one? Chance one's arm. Okay, and options are chances of success are high to try everything, do something even though the chances of success are very little, and to excel in everything. What is the idiom, sir? Chance one's arms. What the work we are doing with what, sir? Our arms only. Fine. So we are giving chance to our arms. Okay, meaning we are going to do something but we don't know about the success, what will happen. That's why there is the word chance. That's why, sir, 87 C is the answer. Do something even though the chances of success are very little. So for 87 C is the answer. Question number 88. Choose the correct meaning of the idiom. Idiom is kith and kin. Options are kids, teachers and mentors, enemies, friends and relatives. Kith and kin. Okay, remember always, sir, this particular idiom is showing friends and relatives only. Okay, so for 88, D is the answer. Question number 89. Which of these is similar in meaning to the given word? Similar or synonym? Our word is fruition. Okay. The options are origin, inception, initiation, and fulfillment. Let us know the meaning of the word fruition first. Fruition meaning realization. Okay. Or enjoyment derived from use. Enjoyment derived from use. Options are origin, inception, initiation, and fulfillment. Fulfillment, it will come only then, sir, when enjoyment will come from the continuous use. Okay, so fulfillment is the answer. Let us know the other meanings also. Inception meaning origin, and initiation meaning creation, or installation. Origin meaning everybody knows, inception only. So fruition meaning is realization and enjoyment derived from use. So for 89D is the answer, fulfillment. So for 89D is the answer, fulfillment. Question number 90. Which of these is similar in meaning to the given word? Okay, our word is wanton. Options are innocuous, deliberate, decorous, respectable. Wanton meaning first. Wanton meaning is motiveless or unmotivated. Let us check the words. Innocuous. Innocuous meaning harmless. Deliberate meaning intentional. Respectable, everybody knows. And decorous meaning proper. And decorous meaning proper. Okay, now wanton meaning motiveless or unmotivated. And as the word deliberate is intentional, so sir, unmotivated person, so we can go for the similar, deliberate, intentional. Okay, so for wanton our B word deliberate is the answer. And people can ask, sir, motiveless or unmotivated person, can how that is intentional word we can use as a synonym for that. Now, sir, a wanton meaning unmotivated. Motivation is not there. So when motivation is not there, then that person can do whatever that person wants. So intentionally that person will do everything. Okay. So for 92, B is the answer, deliberate. Question number 91. Which of these is opposite in meaning to the given word? Okay. Word is enigma. Options are conundrum, clarity, mystery, and quandary. Let us know the meaning of the word first. Enigma meaning mystery or secret. Done. Conundrum. Conundrum meaning, sir, difficult problem. Okay. Clarity everybody knows. Quandary meaning dilemma or plight, plight. Mystery everybody knows. Now mystery is enigma only. So we have to find out the opposite or antonym. Enigma meaning something which is secret, something which is not a secret anymore. So clarity is the answer, sir. Okay. So for 91, for enigma, clarity, option number B is the answer. Question number 92. Which of these is opposite in meaning to the given word? That word is fickle. Options are capricious, vacillating, constant, and fitful. So fickle meaning volatile. Okay. Or fluctuate. Fine. Capricious is a synonym of the word fickle, always changing. Clear. Vacillating. Vacillating meaning wavering. Okay. Or fluctuate. Same. It is also a synonym. Fitful meaning interrupted. Okay. And constant. Constant meaning which is already fixed. There is no such a thing called volatile or fluctuating thing is not there. So opposite is asked. So for question number 92, constant is the answer. So for question number 92, constant is the answer. Option number C. Question number 93. Select the most appropriate word for the group of words. One was substitution. Our thing is one who eats too much. Options are gluten, overweight, corpulent, and obese. So, sir, one who eats too much is called a gluten. Fine. And options are overweight. Everybody knows. Obese meaning fat, and corpulent meaning also fat. Another word is there, that is lardy, LARDY. Okay, so for question number 93, a gluten is the answer. Question number 94, select the most appropriate word for the group of words. Same thing. And our word is people who enjoy social company. Options are unanimous, gorgeous, herbivorous, and gregarious. So our answer is gregarious, sir. One who loves company of the other person. Okay. So gorgeous meaning beautiful, tremendously beautiful. Herbivorous meaning feeding on plants. Okay, herbivorous. Herbivorous animals are there. And unanimous. Unanimous meaning is complete agreement. Complete agreement. So for question number 94A, unanimous is the answer. So for question number 94A, unanimous is the answer. Question number 95. In the following question, four words are given, out of which one word is incorrectly spelled. Select the incorrectly spelled word. So options are accessible, tyranny, serene, and none of the above. So accessible word is absolutely fine, everyone. Okay. Meaning is approachable. Fine. There is a word tyranny. Tyranny spelling would be TYRANNI. This is the correct spelling. So B is wrongly spelled, sir. So B is our answer here. Serene meaning everybody knows, sir, calm, and it is absolutely correctly spelled. So tyranny is wrong here. For 95, B is the answer. Question number 96. In the following question. Four words are given, out of which one word is incorrectly spelled. Select the incorrectly spelled word. So horrific, hypocrisy, handkerchief, and horrible. So hypocrisy, everybody knows. Horrible, everybody knows. These are finely spelled. Hypocrisy meaning ones not supported by a real conviction. And horrific meaning hideous. Okay, something which causes horror. Now, there is a word handkerchief. We are pronunciating the word as handkerchief only, but actually handkerchief, sir. But the pronunciation will be handkerchief only. So that's why handkerchief. Okay, so handkerchief. So our meaning everybody knows, a small piece of cloth which is used for mouth after mouth washing. So that is a thing, sir. So for 96C, handkerchief is the answer as it is wrongly spelt. Directions 97 to 98. In the following question, a sentence has been given in direct or indirect speech. Out of the four alternatives suggested, select the one which best expresses the same sentence in indirect or direct speech. So question number 97. The president told us not to arrange the picnic for that year. So we are getting what, sir? We are getting indirect narration here. We have to put that in direct narration. So the president told. Told is there. So, sir, past tense. So here said will be there. We already got that. So after that we will check. So A, the president said not to arrange the picnic for this year. Next, the president said don't arrange the picnic for this year. See, the president said to us, don't arrange the picnic for this year. And the president, number D, don't arrange a picnic for this year. Now, the president told us, sir. Us will be what, sir? To us. Fine. So anywhere that said to us is not written, neither in A, neither in B, neither in D, and we can't throw out anything outside. So the president said to us, don't arrange the picnic for this year is absolutely fine here, sir. So for our question number 97, C is the answer. Question number 98 under the same direction. Let us read. Her friend confessed with regret that she had lost the opportunity. So someone is confessing with regret. So immediately, sir, with regret thing is there. So we have to use that particular exclamation mark. Okay, and what is the exclamation mark would be, and before that regret is there. Now let us check. Regret meaning, sir, something sorrowness is there. So hurrah and bravo is wrong, but we will not read at all them. Okay, Alice is here, sir. We will start and we will read. So see, Alice, I had lost the opportunity, said a friend. Alice, I have lost the opportunity, said a friend. Now, sir, let us check in this particular, inside this particular inverted comma, it is written she had lost. Okay, and again, sir, here it is written had lost. Remember one thing, past perfect tense will not change. So here had lost is particularly wrong here. Better is have lost, sir, because it started in which tense? It started in simple past tense here. Okay, said. So we have to take have lost because, sir, here it is written had lost. So D is the perfect answer, sir. So D is the perfect answer for the question number 98. So Alice, I have lost the opportunity, said her friend. Directions 99 to 100. The question below consists of a set of labeled sentences. Out of the four options given, select the most logical order of the sentences to form a coherent sentence. Let us read. It has been over a century. It is already fixed, sir. It is already fixed. And let us go for the other part. Explored nihilism and now since Nietzsche, its implications for civilization. Okay, so we will do. It has been over a century now. Okay, So it has been over a century now since Nietzsche. Nietzsche is a name of a philosopher. So it has been over a century now since Nietzsche. And Nietzsche, a person who explored nihilism and its implications for civilization. So C is the answer, sir. Okay. QPR is the answer for question number 99. Question number 100. Let us read under the same direction. Directly after and consequent to the First World War, the self-help manual market exploded, presumably because everybody in Europe was dead or traumatized. So that is already, as I told for the previous one, is fixed as the first one. We have to find out, sir. Directly after and consequent to the First World War. So only P is the first one, sir. We are getting P here. So World War, the self-help manual market exploded. Fine, sir. Something market exploded, presumably because everybody in Europe was dead or traumatized. So D is the answer, sir. Actually, uh, PQR is already there as it is written. So particular PQR D option is the answer. To get all the notifications and new uploaded videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel IACE and click the bell icon.